Nginibingelele bafethu emakhaya kuphi nakuphi la nikhona neNingizimu Afrika nangaphandle. Igama lami nguHlulu Mthakathi ngwakamhloli. Kanti uhlelo oluthamele njengamanje libizwa ngokuthi isintu ngesayensi. Okuyila esisuke sibhekisisa khona kabanzi ngemvelaphi yomuntu kanye nomlando walempilo esiyiphilayo ngokusebenzisa i-cosmology phecelezi i-space science. Inkulumo zami bafethu zigxile kakhulu kwi-metaphysics ngokuholwa i-quantum science. Inhloso enkulu bafethu yokwenza lento engiyenzayo ukwambula izinqa zento ekuthiwa i-physical matrix elawulwa ngama-fallen angels afana no-reptilians, ama-Anunnaki nama-draconians njalo njalo namanye amaningi. Bonke besebenzisana nohulumeni bala emhlabeni laba basiphethe. Inhloso enkulu ye-matrix bafethu ukuthi thina njengabantu abamaphoyisa nonogada balendawo le esikuyona singazazi, singafinyeleli la khona sesithola ukuthi kahle kahle singobani, sikuphi, sivela kuphi, futhi sizeleni. That's why they created the matrix. I-matrix bafethu iyasicindezela. It ensures ukuthi ke asizazi nomlando wethu namandla ethu, so that kuzoba lula phela ukuthi sikontroleke. Ngoba mase sizazi sikwazi ukuyikhulumela kuyobe sengesiyi-control leyo, kuyobe seku face to face, which means sizokwazi ukubhekana nalabo bantu laba basicindezele. So that's why kumele basifake into this thing called the matrix, so that sizolahlekelwa ulwazi okuyilona olus-empowerishayo. Right-ke bafethu, njengoba bengike ngasho ku-previous episode ukuthi kule episode ngisho le sizobeke sesingena sijula odabeni luka Earth, noma ngithi nje specifically u-dimension 5, ngoba njengoba sesizwa nje bafethu indaba zika dimension 5 noma u-D5 ascension noma i-fifth dimensional ascension, lawo ma-concept njengoba sesiwezwa nje ukuthi kahle kahle aqhamukaphi, kuza kanjani ukuthi kuhleze kuthiwa thina siyanyuka ngokwe-ascension siya kwa-D5, nanokuthi-ke nje njengoba sesila kule ndawo le u-Earth sasifike kanjani, ngoba abaningi bethu ngokusonta-ke sazi ukuthi le ndawo le iyakhandwa uJehova, izulu nomhlaba, yiyo le heaven and earth. Kanti nathi singabantu umlando wethu besazi ukuthi savela kuye uJehova. Okuningi-ke bese ngikuchazile kulamanye amavidiyo adlule, especially ngemvelaphi yabantu. Uma uzokhumbula i-episode edlule ngize ngithi abantu bavela olwandle ngeke ngakujulela futhi ngakutshela ukuthi kuza kanjani ukuthi labo bantu bavela olwandle. Ngakuchazela nge-quantum science ukuthi lezi idalwe engabonakali zenzani kwi-blueprint yeplanet ukuze abantu beze bememfuko olwandle, uyabona. So kusho ukuthi usunayo originality yakho ukuthi uvela kahle kahle, noma abantu bokuqala bavela, uyabona, hayi kulokhu kuthiwa bakhandwa uJehova. Le nto leyana lesiya story lesiya sama Anunnaki noma istory sengadi yase-Eden ayisichaza nje i-hybridization eyayenziwa yiwo ama-aliens. Babevele bethatha babenza lento ekuthiwa i-genetic splicing noma o-hybridizations. behlanganisa izinhlobo ezithile zolibofuzo including ezabo ukuze bekhande uhlobo lwezidalwa ezintsha. Ngiyabona babenze experiment ukuthi kanjani masingayikhandela abethu abantu our own species. Asazi ukuthi inhloso kwakuyiziphi zaziningi futhi. Uyabona so sazi lokho thina. So izinto ezizokucacela njengamanje ukuthi wena uvela already usuyakwazi. You come from the sea and the sea is like isibeletho somhlaba. Right now sizobuka ukuthi kwayona le ndawo umhlaba ivele kanjani. Uyabona noma nje yonke solar system yethu nama planet wayo owu-12 nelanga. Uyabona ukuthi kuvela kanjani futhi kukuyiphi i-universe ngoba this is a multiverse. Ama-universes amaningi, ama-galaxies amaningi, ney'nkanyezi ey'ningi, nama-planets amaningi. Akusuyena uplanet Earth kuphela. Yabona? So ngifuna sikhulume specifically ngoba usuyazi vele ngama-dimensions ukuthi they go from 1 to 15. But sikhulume ngalawa aqala ku-1 aya ku-12. U-13, 14 and 15 siyaye sim-ignore but silibe sihamba simveza nje ey'nkulumweni zethu uma ngabe sikhuluma. Yabona? So kuwo wonke ama-dimensions ake sibuke u-dimension 5. But before simbuka ngifuna si-understand ukuthi kwayena u-dimension 5 uvelaphi. I-blueprint enkulu ka-dimension 5 no-Earth itholakala ku-dimension 8. Yabo lo dimension ibizwa ngoGaia. That's why uyawuzwa abantu abaningi mangabe be-refer to Earth bambize ngoGaia. Ngiyabona? Mother Gaia this, Mother Gaia that. Ngingasho ukuthi uGaia noma u-dimension 8 Gaia ugogo kithi njengoba siwu-Earth. Bese kuthi u-dimension 5 uTara umama kithi. Thina njoba sila ku-dimension 3 kwa-Earth singabazukulu bakaGaia futhi siyingane zika mother lo olapha kwa-dimension 5 uTara. Ngiyabona? Now uzothola ukuthi the science of yenzakala kanjani yonke lento ukuthi kusuke uplanet Earth azakhandeke. Still kusaseyiwa ama-fallen angels bafethu. Yonke into eyenzakalayo yenzakala because of ama-fallen angels. Iy'nqumo ezathathwa le kudala kwaze kwaba nezimpi zomkhathi. What we could loosely say galactic wars. Yabona? Lezi zimpi bafethu zayingenzeki kuphela in the cradle of Lyra, in the fourth harmonic universe, but zazenzeka in almost all galaxies because ama-fallen angelics ayihambe ngenelela in all galaxies to contaminate iy'dalwa nama-galaxies aphila lapho so that they can accept i-agenda yabo entsha yokuthi badukise umhlaba. Base bene-agenda yabo entsha yokudukisa umhlaba and colonize the entire multiverse, but they needed a support structure abantu ababezoba-supporta. That is why they were going in all dimensions, telling lies and converting people and making people to stray away from the original Emerald Covenant of the law of one of God. So babe badukisa and ngenhlahla enkulu they did that and it became successful, hence we are here today. So ziyasithinta kakhulu lezi ndaba bafethu akusizi izinto esingathi nje siyayi-ignora sithi hayi izinto zabelungu leza zisithinta. The same very ordinary lives we live in this matrix system is controlled by whatever that happened in the galaxies millions and billions of years ago. Saqhubeka ngalowo mgudu loyo. Yabona? So I want us today to speak about u-dimension 5. Njengokwenjwayelo-ke niyazi ngiphethe inkamalanga lapha. I decided to do outdoor shooting. I don't know ukuthi volume izoba kanjani. Ngithi nje ake ngishintshe izinto just to check ukuthi kuzohamba kanjani. Ma ukuthi ihambe kahle le video hayi. Sengiyozama ukuthi ngibe nabo outdoor. Yabona? Asiqaleke bafethu. Niyazi ke since ngiphethe inkamalanga ngifunde phansi ngoJoji bese ngichaza ke ngesiZulu ke, right? Sithi lana ke 560 million years ago on a planet called Tara. or on a galactic planet called Tara, there was a master race of beings called the Turanisium. This race was a hybrid race made from genetic material of other dimensional, extraterrestrial and metaterrestrial beings. Utholana ke eminyakeni ewu560 million years ngokudlula. Kukhona iplanet ebizwa ngoTara noma igalactic planet called uTara. Ngiyabona. Lapho kwakuphila khona izidalwa esasithi they were the master race. Masity master race, that means ukuthi they were advanced genetically, which means they had extra abilities. Yabona. And the planet, it existed onto dimension 5. Of course, we wouldn't be able to perceive it la kwa Earth. Ney'talo zakhona ngisho ingafika la kwa Earth izimeduzane kwethu ngesikhona ukuyibona, yabona. Unless we raise the frequency vibration of amehlo ethu to match the frequency vibration of dimension 5, and then we'll be able to perceive iy'talo zakhona naleyo ndawo leyo, yabona. So lezi dalwa lezi ezayiphila la zayibizwa ngokuthi they were the Turanisium ngoba babe ama hybrids. Masithi they were hybrids sisho ukuthi kwahlanganiswa ulibofuzo lwey'dalwa ezihlukahlukene ezingama extraterrestrials nama metaterrestrials ukuze ke kuphume le race le, uyabona, ebizwa ngeTuranisium. Kuthiwa ke the light beings okukhanya usuyazi ngapha, and the crystals creator races usuyazi futhi ngalapha. They were the founders of this race. This race was founded by Olizwi nama crystals races. They are the ones who founded this race nabo ngokuthola i-directive from Olizwi. Yabona Olizwi ngoba phela ibona basekuqaleni, yabona. So kushuthi njengoba okukhanya nama crystals bengama founders, still babengasebenzisani bodwa, babesebenzisana futhi nenye i-race, another galactic race eyayitholakala ku-harmonic universe number 3 eyayibizwa ngokuthi bona they were the Lyrans. That race was called the Lyrans, right? So together they were the ones administering le race lesibiza ngokuthi ama-Turanisium etholakala laphana ku-dimension 5. Right, so o-admini abakhulu-ke ababe administrator le race le beyinakekela to ensure ukuthi this race is well protected and empowered. It's the Iyani Council. Uyakhumbula previous video ukuthi ngasho ngathi ngizokhuluma kakhulu about the Master Council, the Iyani Master Council. Kahle kahle Melchizedek Cloister Iyani Master Council. That is why ngenza le video le previous episode ngikhuluma kakhulu about the Iyani Master Council, because ibona aba regulator zonke izinto ezisuka from dimension 6 kuya ku dimension 1. All right, so sisho ukuthi ke this race was a combination of genetic strands from different extraterrestrials and metaterrestrials, and the administrators were laba bantu aba-contributor vele ngama-DNAs wabo plus the higher council, you know, lesithi i-Melchizedek Cloister Iyani Master Council esakhuluma kabanzi ngayo last week. Right. So it's the Lyrans, it's the crystals races and the light beings noma okukhanya besebenzisana with this council, the Iyani Master Council, right? The Lyrans created another race line to assist the Iyani Council in protection and guidance of this Turanisium race of planet Tara. That race line was called the Elohim, right? Twage kule combination yama administrators laba administrator the Turanisium, they figured ukuthi no man, we need just a little bit extra protection ozovikela le race, because sisoyitshala le race isazoqala ikhule, istudishe, ifunde, izazi, yabo. In the middle of that process ama fallen angels angangenelela ukudukisa le race, so we need a protection whilst they are still undergoing that step. So the Lyrans were in between le nhlangano le yama crystals no Lizwi ne higher council. Now ama-Lyrans, the Lyrans then created enye i-race line ebizosiza the higher council ukuthi ikwazi ukuvikela futhi iphinde ihole le race le esithi ngama-Turanesium etholakala kwa-planet Tara, right? This Turanesium race had genetic material of extraterrestrial and metaterrestrial beings from all dimensions, right, of the multiverse. Kusho ukuthi-ke le Turanesium race lena njengoba bese ngichazile ukuthi yayikhandwe ngengxubevane yolibofuzo lwey'talwa ey'ningi ezingama-extraterrestrials and metaterrestrials atholakala in the entire multiverse. Which is why-ke le race le, they had 12 strands of DNA in their biological structure. Lo 12 strand lo esihlezi sikhuluma ngawo, kuthiwa lama beings lawa, they had them in their bodies. Uyabona? Which means ukuthi they had the potential to activate onke ama-DNA strands wabo 12 and then bese beba onkulunkulu njengoba ehlezi esho uYeshua. These 12 strands of DNA could allow them to embody the crystal's frequencies. Nakho-ke njengoba kade ngiqeda ukusho nje. Ngoba ngihlezi ngichaza kakhulu lena ukuthi ama-crystal's frequencies, the only person that can embody the crystal's frequencies is someone who has activated all 12 DNA strands within their bodies, and then they're going to be able to embody the crystal's frequencies. And once you embody the crystal's frequencies, the possibilities are too much, you know, or are unlimited. Right. They lived in peace for 8 million years. And sekuthiwa-ke after sebetshaliwe-ke sebekhandiwe la kwaTara, kwaplanet Tara, bengama-Turanesium, baphila nkosi yami for 8 million years in peace, kuphilwa kamnandi kungekho nkinga for 8 million years, right? And as much as they shared one genetic structure of 12 DNA strands, they were separated into 12 tribes but sharing one crystal template. Kusho ukuthi-ke njengoba babebizwa ngama-Turanesium, they were the crystals race, right? Beyi-race eyodwa. But leyo race ikhandwe by the 12 tribes of extraterrestrials and metaterrestrials, njengoba bese sishilo ukuthi bona they were manufactured ngolibofuzo lwala amanye ama-beings noma iy'dalwa. So kusho ukuthi since they had genetic strands 12 from the 12 tribes, they were then considered ukuthi they were the 12 tribes. Sisho ukuthi 12 tribes are found in one DNA. Kwakuyi-DNA eyodwa ebizwa nge-Turanesium DNA, but ikhandwe ingxubevane yolibofuzo olu-12 coming from all 12 tribes, if that makes sense. I know it does, all right? So they had one crystal template, right? Because of the influence of the fallen angels, this Turanesium race started to lose their Christic code, and that has led them into corruption and division. Lana kuthiwa njoba sisho ukuthi in the beginning babeyihlalela nje kahle kamnandi for like 8 million years, ku right ungekho yonke inkinga, behlonipha umthetho wobunye lo we creation contract, usuyazi ngawo ngeke ngisawuchaza, right? Engakangenelele ama-fallen angels, si understand ukuthi kuphi nakuphi la kufinyelela khona ama-fallen angels ziyonakala izinto, yabo. Kuthe sekunele kwangenelela ama-fallen angels, zaqala-ke izinto zabheda, uyabona? Sebeqala manje ukuba corrupt, sekune-division-ke manje, sebehlukana phakathi ngoba kuphi nakuphi la ungenelela khona ama-fallen angels, ngisho wathiwa benibanye nifike nihlukane ngoba afika nilethele i-perspective ehlukile ezonenza ukuthi manje ningasaboni ngasolinye. Ilo acabanga ngendlela yakhe nalo acabanga ngendlela yakhe, yabo, bese kuba ne-division, right? So ungenelela kwama-fallen angels-ke kwaba inkinga-ke. Zwana-ke kuthiwa the fallen angels started to interbreed with some of the members of this race, and as a result this race got divided into 2 races, right? So kusho ukuthi ama-fallen angels esengenelile-ke ney'mfundiso zawo eziyamanga njalo njalo nama-infiltrations, awagcinanga lapha ama-fallen angels, abe eselala nezinye zey'dalwa zama-Turanesium, uyabona? And ngokwenzakala lokho-ke yabe le race yama-Turanesium isihlukana kwangempela-ke manje, uyabona, physical. Babe sahlukene nje ngokwe-view, ngokokubuka izinto ekuqaleni, but after kwenzakale lokhu ukuthi belalwa ama-fallen angels, kwabe sekuzaleka-ke the different types of iy'dalwa-ke manje ngolibofuzo manje lwama fallen angels no lweTuranesium, uyabona? Base bedivide phakathi into two. Kwase kuba khona ababizwa ngama-Alanians, abanye babizwa ngama-Lumians, right? So as separated as they were, they still continued to coexist in a huge continent called Eden on the Tara planet. Shukuthi lapha kwaTara kwakune continent, indawo yokuhlala enkulu, iyona huge land mass eyayikhona kwaTara. Isakhona namanje. Maybe the name might have changed, but isakhona. Yayibizwa ngo-Eden, leyo territory leyo, right? So kuthiwa ke even though ayesefinyelela ama-fallen angels afike enza lokhu kuganga ekwenza, still babesahlala endaweni eyodwa, uyabona? Kule continent ebizwa ngo-Eden, right? Right. Their cultures were called Alania and Lumia. Angithi uyakhumbula ngithe bahlukane phakathi after ukuthi belalwe ama-fallen angels kwavela labe sithi they are the Alanians nalabe sithi they are the Lumians, right? So ama-cultures wakhona iy'ndlela zabo zokuphila ezintsha abayi-inventa after sebehlukene phakathi eyokuqala was called the Alanian culture, eyesibili was the Lumian culture, right? And they lived for another 1 million years because of corruption in their genetic codes. They began to be hostile and chaotic. Okusho ukuthi ke well bahlala ndawonye after lo 8 million years beyihlalela in peace. Kwase kuba na this 1 million year of the confusion net division, still besahleli ndawonye kwa Eden, right? But yathi mayisiba strong ke emva kweminyaka, mayisiba strong i-corruption kulibofuzo lwabo, base beqala manje kuba hostile nokuba chaotic. You know, umuntu hostile umuntu nje ohleze ecabanga iviolence nemicabango yokudestroy nokulimaza, yabona? But ke kule division nje basebehlukene kabili nje. Sithi kukhona ama-Alanians nama-Lumians. Ama-Alanians iwona aba corrupt kakhulu. Ngoba ama-Lumians ulibofuzo lwabo lwakwazi ukuthi lilungiseke somehow, yabona? So ama-Alanians iwona azwela kakhulu kulezi zinto ze-division ne-corruption. Iwona ke therefore athatha kakhulu uhlangothi lwama-fallen angels. Kwase ukuthi ama-Lumians athatha kakhulu uhlangothi lwama-guardian angels, right? The Alanians labe sithi ke babe corrupt kakhulu, all of a sudden wanted dominion and power over the Lumians. Yabona ke ukuthi corruption isiyenzeni. Nawo kama-Alanians aseyithola manje sefuna ukuphatha abuse ama-Lumians, kanti labantu bebeyiphethe belingana, engekho obuso omunye, engekho ongaphezulu komunye umuntu. Manje sebesesimweni la khona whereby the Alanians want to take over and colonize them, yabona, bababuse. Ngoba sengenelele ingqondo yama-fallen angels, akusekho lokhuyana ukuthi hayi no man siyalingana njalo, yabona? Kuthiwa ke the Alanians were already tampering with the power of the planetary core, using it for the wrong reasons, creating weapons of mass destructions, using high vibrational energies of the planet, and also waging war against the Lumians. Kuthiwa ke ngokuba corrupt kwabo kunjalo, base bethatha ulwazi ababenalo base belisebenzisa against imvelo, ngoba kwi-planetary core, iplanet neplanet, right, inama-cosmic frequencies atholakala kwi-blueprint yeplanet, ekujuleni kweplanet. Lawo mandla lawo they can be drawn or they can be sucked and be stored somewhere ukuze kwenziwe ezinye izinto. Njengoba ngangisho nanokuthi u-Atlantis no-Lemuria abe no-Egypt nama-pyramids of Egypt nezinye izinto eziyi-mystery, oMoses bevula ulwandle. Zonke lezo zinto zenziwa ngama-anki. I-anki kwakuyi-device eyayikwazi ukumunca lama-frequencies we-planet a-cosmic, iwagcine. Bese kuthi yonke into ikhomba nge-anki, bese i-reversa i-polarity, ingashintsha ibe noma ngabe yini, noma yenze noma ngabe yini oyithandayo. That's why ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi the pyramids of Egypt weren't built by hands or any mechanization. Spiritual technology was used to create ilokhungana ama pyramids wase-Egypt. And mangithi spiritual technology sikhuluma ngabo anki nama cosmic frequencies. Yabo njengoba thina sisebenzisa ugesi nje la kwa earth, nathi indlela esikwazi ukuthi imshini isebenze, yabo, but bona yabe imshini first of all yayingakhandwanga nge-mechanization yala kwa earth, you know. Number 2, yayingasebenzi nge-energy yala kwa earth. So lezi idalwa ke zabe seyithatha lolu lwazi lelo lwe-planetary core noma lwama-energies atholakala lapha kwi-planetary core, basebenza zonke izinto ey'ngasile, you know, ukukhanda ama-weapons. Yayingekho into ekuthiwa yimpi la kwaThara, kodwa manje ngoba sekukhona bona sekumele kube khona izimpi, ama-weapons of mass destruction njalo njalo, uyabona. They are preparing for the war le abasebefuna ukuyiqala noma le abasebevele beyiqalile already. Ngokuthi kwenzeke yonke-ke lento, lezi idalwa lezi esibiza ngama-Lumians, babona ubungozi obungahle buvele ngenxa yalesi senzo esesiqalwe yilama fallen angels. Kusho ukuthi they had insight to the future, bakwazi ukupredict i-future ukuthi yazi njengoba le idalwa sezenza kanje, nakho okungahle kwenzeke as a result, right? So the Lumians called unto the Syrian Council and Elohim for assistance. Sikhumbule ukuthi sithe oba no administrator balezi idalwa. It's the Iyani Master Council lesibiza ngokuthi Syrian Council, and it's also the Elohim lezi idalwa lezi sithe u-Elohim uyitholakala kwa Harmonic Universe number 3. Base becela usizo ukuthi hey, niyabona ukuthi ama fallen angels asenzeni and azosibulala sonke. Sicela nisisize ke sikwazi ukudilana nale nkinga yawo njengoba niyo administrator bethu. Ngokwenza njalo ke i-Syrian Council no Elohim they created a new small security measure which was called the Council of Mu. MU, Council of Mu. Yabo. Shukuthi sithi kune Iyani Melchizedek Cloister, Melchizedek Cloister Iyani Master Council. Le esibiza ngokuthi ke i-Syrian Council, bese kuba khona another council ngaphansi kwa i-Syrian Council encane, which is ensured ukuthi ikwazi ukuvikela manje ke the Lumians from the Alanians, uyabona, since this whole war is happening. So through this Council of Mu, isikhandiweke leyo council leyo Council of Mu, they were able ukuthi bathatheke manje ke idalwa eziningi from le continent esithi u-Eden, idalwa lezi ezazingama-Lumians because iwona idinga usizo, bazisa onto another small continent across the ocean of Eden. Should kwakufike kube u-Eden bese ngale kolwandle lwaka Eden kube khona enye futhi continent eyayingahlali umuntu, because lezi idalwa ama-Turanisium kwakuyizona nje zokuqala kule planet, uyabona. So bazisa kuleyo continent ke eseduzane kwa Eden. Leyo continent bayibiza ngokuthi uMu. Futhi ke angikwenzele nje i-breakdown, yabo. Ever since ngiqalile ukukhuluma ngithi ke kwakune iplanet, yabona, kwakuthiwa uThara, etholakala laphana kwa dimension 5. Kuleyo planet leyo kwakutholakala idalwa ezayibizwa ngama-Turanisium. Lezo idalwa lezo zazivele ngenxa yokuhlanganiswa kolibofuzo lweyidalwa eziningi ezihlukahlukene ezingu-12 zama-extraterrestrials nama-metaterrestrials. Lezi idalwa zabekwa zitshalwa la kwa dimension 5 kule planet ngenhloso yokuthi ke phela zikwazi ukuvikela konke okuku dimension 5. Kahle kahle njengoba ngihleze ngiqala ivideo yami ngithi thina singamaphoyisa nonogada, nazo lezi idalwa inhloso enkulu ukuthi idalwe zibekwe kule planet kwakuthi zibe onogada phela ba dimension 5, planet Thara nakho konke ke okwakukuleyo solar system leyo okunye okungama planet, yabo. Kushuthi sisho ukuthi le planet uThara kwakuyiyona eyayi administrator wakho konke okoku dimension 5, yabo. Zaphila kamnandi ke for 8 million years lezi idalwa ku right, kuhlonipshwa uphilwa isinkulunkulu until kuze ngenelela ama fallen angels akhanda idalwa zawo, alala nezinye zalezi idalwa zaseyihlukana phakathi, kwase kuba khona ezibizwa ngama-Lumians nama-Alanians, uyabona, after leyo division leyo. So therefore zayisahlala kwa-Eden kule continent eyodwa, but kuthe mase ngempela ungenelela kwama-fallen angels kukhula, kwase kuthi lezi idalwa ezingakabi fallen ezingama-Lumians zacela usizo from o-administrator okungo-Elohim ukuthi anisisize, nakho sibhekene nenkinga, nakho laba sebenza lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. Ngokucela lolo sizo kwase kuthiwa abakhande yabo-ke i-council ebizwa nge-Council of Mu. Ngaleyo council leyo they were able ukuthi bathathe inamba yalezi idalwa beyisusa kwa-Eden, lezi idalwa ezingakabe infiltrated, ezingakangenelelwa kakhulu ukungcola kwama-fallen angels, bayithatha lezo idalwa bazisa kwenye ilokhungana i-continent just across u-Eden. Leyo continent yafika yabizwa ngokuthi uMu, MU, continent of Mu, uyabona, ukuze bezokwazi ukuhlala kahle bodwa, bekwazi ukucabanga-ke manje ama-solutions moving forward, because ngeke uyilwe impi usahlala la impi eqale khona. Ukuze ukwazi ukucabanga kangcono kumele usuke la impi eqale khona, ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi uthole ispace sokucabanga ukuthi uzoyilwa kanjani le mpi, ngoba mawuthi uzama ukuyilwela la eqale khona uzolokhu uvaleka nje uzolokhu ublockeka nje. So kumele usuke ukuze uzokwazi ukucabanga kahle-ke ama-attacks wakho-ke, yabona, noma ama-counter attacks wakho, yabo. So basuswa-ke from e-Eden, asala odwa ama-Alanians ne-distortion yabo, right? Asiqhubeke-ke, right? Kuthiwa-ke ama-Lumians after sebawasusile from kwa-Eden bawasa into the continent of Mu, right? Kwa-Mu they survived for 50,000 years, right? Besebenzisana ne-Syrian Council no Elohim, nazo zonke lezi idalwa ezicontributile kulibofuzo lwabo, right? Ukwenzani-ke njengoba besebenzisana nje bazama ukwelapha le corruption esiyingenile kulibofuzo, because now ama-Lumians ayithola le distortion. It's just that bona they survived it better, yabo, ayizwelanga kakhulu njengoba yayizwela kuma-Alanians, uyabona. So kwase kusetshenzwa ukuthi kwelashwe-ke le DNA esicorrupted, icorruptwa ama-fallen angels, uyabona. As part of the healing, njengemzamo yokwelapha belaphe le race le, kuthiwa-ke the Elohim interbred with the Lumians of Mu to create a race line with pure genetic codes from the digression of the fallen angels. That race was then called the Ceres. Kuthiwa-ke after sebesukile kwa-Eden ama-Lumians ebalekela laba asebe-digressed okungama-Alanians baya into the Mu continent, but mabefika khona basebezama imizamo yokuthi kwelashwe ulibofuzo lolo lwaselingcoliswe ama-fallen angels. Indlela yokuthi kwelashwe lolo libofuzo kwaphoqelela ukuthi o-administrator manje kube yibona abalala noma angiqale la, indlela yokungcolisa noma yokwelapha ulibofuzo, it was interbreeding, ukuthi kulalwane, lo nolibofuzo luclean alale nalo onolibofuzo olungcolile, bese lo nolibofuzo olungcolile liyaklineko lwakhe, noma lo onolibofuzo, noma nje asibiye kanje, ukuze kwenzeke i-digression, uyabona, kumele lo ongcolile alale nalo oclean, bese lo clean eyangcola. Ukuze selapheke leso simo kuzomela lo oclean alale nalo ongcolile, bese siyelapheka leso simo through i-DNA, right? Yingakho-ke ngithi-ke bathi mase besusiwe bayiswa laphana kwi-continent yakwaMu, bafike balala no-administrator. O-administrator phela ulibofuzo lwabo lwaliseklini, but mabelala nabo lwase liyaklineka kulibofuzo. In that process kwase kuzaleka another race line ekuthiwa manje-ke i-Ceres CERES, Ceres, uyabona. Kuthiwa-ke kushuthi kahle kahle la kwa-continent of Mu sekuphila idalwa ezimbili-ke manje, ama-Lumians ango-original, bese kuba yingane zawo ezingama-Ceres, lezi ezivele ngokuthi kulalwane, uyabona, ngemizamo yokuthi kuklinwe ulibofuzo. So the Ceres and the Lumians, they live together on the Mu continent, dealing with their own spiritual matters of Mu continent. Kushuthi base beyinakela indaba zabo-ke la kwaMu, uyabona, bebashiye bodwa laba abadigressed le kwa-Eden, uyabona. Cha bayiqhubekela-ke bayiphilela kamnandi. They created their priesthood of Mu, which is an egalitarian spiritual organization which was led by the women. Shuthi bakhanda i-organization yabo sebe laphana kwa Mu ababebiza ngokuthi i-priesthood of Mu, yabona. Kule priesthood babesagcina umthetho wobunye njalo, yabona, nokuxhumana noNkulunkulu. So le organization was based upon the law of oneness, njengoba bese ngichazileke ukuthi konke okwenziwa ama-guardian angelics kuhlangene nomthetho kaNkulunkulu. Konke okwenziwa ngama-fallen angels uhlangene nokuthini uhlukaniswe umthetho kaNkulunkulu. Right? So at the same time the fallen Alanians remained on the Eden continent. Yabona? Kuthiwa-ke in all of this laba ba-fallen basala bona lapha kwa-Eden after laba abanye sebemuviwe bayiswa kwa-Mu, right? The Mu continent continued to evolve whilst Alania continent noma u-Eden continued to digress in their genetic codes. Therefore, they continued chasing the Lumians. Kusho ukuthi njengoba sebehlukanisiwe nje uMu noma laba ama-Lumians lawa ahlala kwaMu elapheka wona kwaze kwavela izingane zawo leze sithi oSeres, but laba basale ngale kwa-Alania noma kwa-Eden nabo baqhubeka baba worse, isimo sabo saba worse ngokwe-digression, uyabona, abazange baze bathola i-healing. So ngokuthi baqhubeka-ke baba digressed, baqhubeka nenjongo zabo zokufuna to take over, ukuthi belibe belandela laba asebebalekile, babalekele, bebalandele, bebathole, bebadigress, bebacolonize njalo njalo, yonke into enziwa ama-fallen angels, right? Kuthiwa-ke ngemizamo-ke yokulibe bebahupa ngoba babengathokozile ukuthi sebebabalekele. Imizamo yokuthi bebahupe, they employed a subterranean grid technology in order to bring Mu under their dominion. Into esithi i-subterranean into ekwazi ukuhamba ngaphansi, either ngaphansi kwamanzi or ngaphansi komhlaba. Ma leyo nto ikwazi ukuhamba ngaphansi kwamanzi iyayibizwe nge-submarine, yabo. But mayihamba ngaphansi komhlabathi, it's a subterranean. Kanjengokuthi singathumela ibhomu lihamba ngaphansi komhlaba sithi aliyobhoma eCape Town, yabo. So nabo bakhanda i-technology eyayinjalo ngaso njalo isimanga sokuthi they still wanted to take over, yabona, le race le. So this technology would act as a surveillance system whilst lowering the vibrational rate of the continent. Shuthi le technology esikhuluma ngayo iyayigadile iyiso ababebheke ngalo ukuthi kwenzakalani le continent kaMu, uyabona. Also to slower the vibrational rate of the continent. Angithi onke ama-continents are empowered by the cosmic energies coming from the planetary core. But if we cut that connection, that location will no longer be empowered by those frequencies of the cosmos. So that's what this subterranean grid technology did. Inhloso njalo kusaseyikho ukubacolonize, babathathe babafake ngaphansi komthetho wabo noma kwencindezi yabo. Right? The Lumians and the Seres of Mu, they saw again the dangers of this act in a long run, which means they had foresight. Lezi dalo ebeyihlala ke noma ezihlala kwaMu okungama-Lumians nama-Seres bayibona futhi ingozi ye-future ezokwenzeka ngesimanga salokhu, uyabona. Leyo ngozi kwakuwukuthi le technology ababeyisebenzisa ukwenza yonke lento yayizoqhuma ekugcineni. Mayiqhuma neplanet yonke yayizoqhuma, uyabona. Kwakuzoqhuma icontinent le kaMu, uqhume nabo lapha kwa-Eden, kuqhume nje neplanet yonke. Bayibona leyo danger leyo, yabona. So kwase kuba nezimpi-ke nje nama-struggles in between the Alanians, right? Kuthiwa-ke ama-Alanians ngoba iwona aye-digressed azama ukuthi aboniswe ngemphumela engahle yenzeke ngenxa yey'nqumo zawo. Bebonisa ukuthi cha madoda, iyekeleni lento enyenzayo ngoba nakho kuzokwenzeka 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 nani futhi nizosokola. Siyanicela, sisakhuluma kahle nani ukuthi iyekeni yonke lento enithi niyayenza, uyabona. Kunalokho-ke ama-Alanians aqala impi athi ngeke sitshelwe yini, athi ngeke sitshelwe yini kunalokho baqala impi. Uyabona, leyo mpi leyo was called the Syrian Rebellion War. Kusho ukuthi they were rebelling against the Syrian Council, njengoba ade ngilokhu ngisho ngithi bona administrators abakhulu behlangene no Elohim. So they were rebelling ukuthi ayasifuni ukwenza lento enishoyo, nakho thina sikufunayo, right? So the Syrian Anunnaki and the Templar Solar Initiates were rebelling against the Syrian Iani Council. The Syrian Rebellion War almost destroyed Tara. Shukuthi ke leyo mpi leyo ye rebellion, ama-Alanians rebelling against or administrator okuyi-Syrian Council, leyo mpi leyo, that rebellion war, yacishe yamdestroy uTara, wacishe waqhuma straight ngenxa yaleyo war leyo mpi leyo, that conflict in between, ngoba izimpi ezazikhona zayinyantisa igazi. Certain digressed groups of Alanians saw the dangers that could happen because of the great technology. They then went to the Mu continent to ask for help. Yabona? Kwase kuthiwa ke ingxenye yalaba abadigressed, laba bafuna impi, ingxenye yabo, a portion of them, babona ukuthi bafethu asiyiquestione lento ngempela siyenzayo, ngabe ku right ngoba phela siyabona nathi solimali. Uyabona, kanje ngokuthi man plane ukuyobamba imoto yemali, niplane into bese thoyedwa bafethu ngeke, mina nje igazi lami khona into engitshelayo ukuthi lento izohamba la ngasiyeke. So kwenzakala njalo ke bathi beplana to attack njalo kwakhona idalwa ezibonayo lento uthi ayingeke bafethu, i-dangerous lento esifuna ukuyenza, asiyeke. Uyabona, so ngokubona ukuthi oza kwabo ngeke beboniseke, base besuka la kwa-Alanya noma kwa-Eden, bawelela ngale kolwandle beya kwaMu, beyocela usizo ukuthi bafethu niyasazi besingabanye abalwisana nani njalo sisebenzisana nobhuti bethu ngale, but siyabona umngozi obuzokwenzeka, so sicela usizo lwenu ukuthi asisafuni thina ukuba ingxenye yalento abayenzayo, cela nisisize, right? Ukhumbula ukuthi bazocela usizo nje basenalama genetic codes angcolile wama-fallen angels, right? So kwase kuthiwa ke abalale noCeres, uyabona, ukuze ke cleanule ibofuzo lwabo before sinamukela. Siyanizwa ukuthi nithini bafethu, but before sinamukela ngesimanga sokuthi nisangcolile kulibofuzo lwenu, asinisize nithole healing, sicleanule ibofuzo lwenu. Therefore balala with the Ceres, uyabona. I-Ceres isithe yingane zama-Lumians, right? So lama Alanians lawa are-distorted alala with the Ceres, right? Lokho kulalana lokho kwabe sekukwazi ukuthi kukline ulibofuzo lwawo lama Alanians lawo asevele aqhamuka azocela usizo, uyabona, lwaklineka kulibofuzo lwabo ngokuthi balale with the Ceres, right? Ngokulalana ke kwabo kwabe sekukhandeka enye futhi irace, uyabona, yona yayisibizwa ngo-UR Tyranids. Uyabona ukuthi ulibiza kanjani, but it's UR-Tyranids. uTyranids usho ukuthi bangama-Tyranids, abantu bakwa-Tara, uyabona. So bona ke kwakuyi-race eyayino purified 12 strands of DNA, ngoba lo 12 strand of DNA ubusungcolile ngesimanga sokuthi ama-Alanians nawo ayesengcoliswa ama-fallen angels elala nazo zonke idala, uyabona. So ngokulala kwabo ke cha lwaklineka ke lolo libofuzo lo. So the Tyranids nabo, they created their own spiritual movement ke manje eyayithe ukuhluka from the priesthood of Mu, uyabona. Nabo ke babezenzela izinto zabo ngaphansi komthetho wobunye, but kuhlanganisa kakhulu indaba lezi zama interdimensional time travel, ama portals, yabona. Leyo movement ke yona was called the priesthood of UR. Angithi sithe kuno priesthood of Mu otholakala in the Mu continent. Sekuthi makusuka idalwa ke ngapha zizosho ukuthi bafethu sicela ukunijoyina, siyabona bafethu ukuthi bayabheda ngalo. Kwathiwa hayi solala nani senklinule ibofuzo, mase bebaklinile ulibofuzo kwase bavula iorganization yabo ke nabo ebizwa manje ngokuthi priesthood of or UR, yabona, in order to keep up with the law of one, but ngendlela yabo kuthiwa bona babe good kakhulu, the Tyranids babe good kakhulu ngalezi zinto zo intertime traveling, indaba lezi zama Stargate, you know, ama portals, yabona. That's what they were dealing with under the law of one, right? So they were good with science of portal mechanics, like I just said, right? They also shared some of the practices of the priesthood of Mu, which means njengoba bona babe priesthood of Yu, babe sakwenza okunye okwenziwa lapha kwi-priesthood of Mu, uyabona? Kuthiwa-ke the Yuar Tyrannates are currently the guardians of the time portal structure that links Earth to Tara. Kuthiwa-ke kune-stargate esihlanganisa u-Earth no-Tara. Ungakwazi ukusuka la uye kwa-Tara usuke kwa-Tara uze kwa-Earth. Kuthiwa o-Yuar Tyrannates ibona basavikele leso stargates leso, since they are good with lezi zinto zama-portal mechanics. Right. Njengoba yayiqhubeka-ke le mpi le esithi i-Syrian Rebellion War, right? The priesthood of Yuar bathatha abantu abaningi bebona ukuthi iyaqhubeka le mpi. Bathatha abantu abaningi ababe lapha into the Mu continent bayobacashisa underground for safety, because ukuqhuma kweplanet kwase kusondele, kwase kubonakala ukuthi kusondele ngempela. Kwase kudingakala ukuthi kuvikeleke idalwa ezikhona la kwaMu. So ngoku-understand ama-portal mechanics, o-Yuar Tyrannates bona bathatha idalwa eziningi beyifihla ngaphansi kweplanet in the underground caverns, uyabona? Ngoba kwase kubonakala ukuthi hayi no izoqhuma ngempela iplanet, uyabona? So ukuqhuma kweplanet was all going to be caused by ama-Alanians esebenzisa njalo the planetary core, misusing the powers of the planetary core, right? Eventually the Alania continent, noma Eden, it exploded, and that explosion also affected the planetary grid or blueprint of Tara. Eventually njengoba kwakulokhu kushiwo kuthiwa hayi bo bafethu ningayenzi lento izoqhuma le planet nani nizolimala njalo njalo, bengakhuzeki baze bakhanda impi. Nangempela ke kwenzeka yaqhuma ke iplanet, yathi mayiqhuma ya affecta ne blueprint ye planet yonke. Sorry, kwaqhuma icontinent, kwa affecteka ne blueprint ye planet yonke, uyabona? Parts of Alania or Eden continent got destroyed, and that led to a pole reversal of the planet, which led into the planet not to vibrate for 2 days. Chukuthi ukuqhuma kwale continent ekuthiwa Alania noma Eden, ngoba yila kwakuhlala khona lezi dalwa ezifallen, ukuqhuma kwayo kwa affecta i-grid structure, i-energy grid structure ye planet yonke. I-planet ayangabi sa vibrate ngokufana, ne-movement yakhona ayangabi sa move ngokufana. For 2 days imile iplanet ayimove, ayiphefumuli. Ukumuva kweplanet ukuphefumula kwayo phela. Uyacabanga ukuthi into mayisingasaphefumuli izosuffocate, uyabona? Yaqhuma ke iplanet, sekwenzakele lokho ebekulokhu kubona ukuthi kuzokwenzakala, right? So idalwa ke za survive lapho. Lokhu ngithi planet, ukuqhuma kweplanet, ukuqhuma kwecontinent, but nayo iplanet ya affecteke i-energy structure yakhona, right? So zonke lezi idalwa ezazi kwa Eden eza survive lokho ukuqhuma lokho, they went underground nabo for protection, and it took 1000 years for Tara to be re-established, and the implosion had destroyed land masses and animals including beings. Hayi ke ukuqhuma kwale planet kwaku serious bafethu. Kwadestroyeka izilwane, kwadestroyeka imvelo, kwadestroyeka abantu, kwadestroyeka the land masses, kwadestroyeka izinto eziningi. Kwaphoqa ukuthi konke okwasurvive kuhambe kuye ngaphansi in the underground, in the underworld, for survival purposes, uyabona? After lo 1000 years ke impilo on the surface iyaqala ke futhi iyaqhubeka, yabo? Kusho ukuthi for 1000 years nje le planet le singasho ukuthi yayisesimweni la khona sasingathi kuphelile ngayo, yabona? But ke siyazi ukuthi energy ayipheli, energy ayifi, iyakwazi ukuthi iphinde ikhande futhi. So ngokuhamba kwesikhathi iyahilisheka le planet, you know, but after 1000 years impilo yasiqala ke iba right, yabona? Ne-energy grid le yalimala yaba aligned futhi nayo, yabona? So lokho kusho ukuthi while iplanet isaqhumile, uTara was lost in the tracks of time. It's like running a race, bagijima abanye wena usele emumva, uyabona? So it now had to catch up, yabona? So awuthi ngiyisummarize ke lento manje, ngoba sengifuna futhi angiboni ukuthi kusazongena kule video le. but usuzo understand ngoba ngifuna singene la esesithi khona manje fall to harmonic universe number 1. uTara nje ake ngiqale ngichazele ukuthi waye ku harmonic universe number 2 uTara in dimension number 5. Thina siku dimension number 3 ku harmonic universe number 1. Kusho ukuthi u2 ungaphezulu kwethu thina siku 1. Kusho ukuthi uTara fell wazowela into harmonic universe number 1. Ngifuna singene lapha because kuzophenduleka imibuzo yakhe eminingi. But before singena lapha ake siyisummarize yonke lenkulumo yethu. I'm saying ukuthi kwakukhona iplanet eyibizwa ngoTara. Kuhlala izidalwa ezayibizwa ngama-Turanesium. Nazo uyakhumbula ngiyathi ama-crystals ayehlangene ewumndeni owodwa. Kwase kungena i-digression base behlukana phakathi ababodwa babizwa ngama-guardian angelics ababodwa babizwa ngama-fallen angelics. Nala kwaTara kwenzakala same thing. Kwakuyidala ezodwa zibizwa ngama-Turanesium race. Bathi mase behlukana phakathi kwase kuvela izidalwa ke manje eziwu-Alanya ezinye ziwu-Lumian. The Lumians and the Alanians, right? Mase beba divided kulibe kuba khona izimpi abanye bafuna ukubusa abanye babaleke laba baye kwenye icontinent yayiseduzane kwabo eyibizwa ngoMu bayibiza ngoMu yayingenagama because kwakuyibona beqala ukuhlala lapho mabephila lapho baze lapha baqhubeka futhi nezindaba zabo but laba babashiyele emuva bafuna ukubalandela ngoba babengenelisekile besafuna ukuba colonize, right? Mabe balandela bakhanda ama technologies ayinamandla ngendlela eyisimanga but ayine possibility futhi ukuthi lawo ma technologies alimazi iplanet yonke. Bangakushaya mkhuba lokho baqhubeka ngoba babethini sifuna ukwenza lento esifuna ukuyenza. Uyabona? Zasuka ezinye izidalwa zabo ngale besaplena zazoyiceba ngawo ukuthi bafethu thina siyababona lento abafuna ukuyenza sicela ukuthi nisisize. Ngokusiza kala kwabo kwaphoqeleka ukuthi balalane ukuze kuzoklineka ulibofuzo. Kwavela ke ezinye izidalwa ke uyabona. So lezo izidalwa izona ezaba usizo kakhulu mayisizoqhuma iplanet because kwaba izona ezikwazi ukuthi zisebenzise ulwazi lwazo lezo izidalwa lweportal mechanics ukuthi zicaphune ingxenye yezidalwa lezi ezisindile noma lezi eziningi ngapha kwaMu ziyoyicashisa ngaphansi, yabo. Kwahamba isikhathi nangempela yenzeka ke leyo nto le eyayisatshwa. Uyabona? Iyaqhuma iplanet. Noma yaqhuma icontinent mayiqhuma icontinent kwaphazamiseka ne-energy grid structure yeplanet yonke. Uyabona? Kwase kwaba ichaos imvelo yonakala izilwane zafa ezinye nje kwayimess for 1000 years kungekho impilo kwaTara. Uyabona? Zihleli underground izidalwa ziphila khona for 1000 years, you can imagine. Uyabona? So mangabe siyenzekile yonke ke leyo nto ngoba la sengifuna singene khona is onto the mechanics now of ukuthi kweza kanjani ukuthi kuze kuvele le ndawo ekuthiwa Earth. Ngoba le ndawo ekuthiwa Earth iyavela after kuqhuma uTara. Angithatha uyizwe inkulumo yami ngithi uTara is like umama kithi. uGaia is like ugogo. Kusho ukuthi ngokuqhuma kwecontinent konakale neplanet yonke. Izincucu zokuqhuma kwaleyo continent since itholakala ngaphezulu ku-harmonic universe number 2. Lezo ncucu lezo zehlela la esesikhona. Mayifike zadonsa i-energy yelanga zakhanda ama-planets wazo. That's what a solar energy does. It provides creation power noma creation force. Lelanga nje thina elisikhanyiselayo liyazondla izitshalo, liyasondla isikhumba sethu njalo njalo. Uyabona? So that's what happened. But manje I want us ukuthi singene sijule but sesizokwenza next week because isikhathi siyangishaya kumanje. Ngingaqala nje but ngeke ngiqede, uyabona? Njengamanje ake sihlafune lokho nje. Ukuthi kwaye kwaba emlandweni wethu in our galactic history kwaye kwaba khona futhi sasekhona lo ndawo ekwakuthiwa uTara. Iplanet kwakuthiwa uTara. Itholakala kwa dimension 5. Njengoba thina usuzwa sesikhuluma kakhulu ngo-dimension 5 sibuyela back to ekhaya. Impilo phela yayikhandelwe ukuthi ithi descend ascend descend ascend. Wena wabona umuntu edlala iyoyo, uyabona? Up and down. uNkulunkulu usuka le kuye udlule wonke ama dimensions uzufikela usukhona kwa dimension 3. In fact uqala kwa dimension 1 ulibu ascend uye kwa 2 sila kwa 3 sesi stuck sesistaka sakhona ukunyuka sithi dimension 4 5 6 7 size sibuyele la sivela khona ngenxa yama fallen angels. Impilo nje ayikhandelwe lokho ukuthi kungathiwa wena ustuck ku dimension ethile, kungathiwa wena uba earthbound, kungathiwa wena awukhona uku-ascend, but the fallen angels made sure ukuthi that happens, asisakhona uku-ascend, yabona. So ngokuqhuma kwale planet ke kwaba njalo ke yaba destroyed, but asithi uhafu wayo waba destroyed, uhafu we-energy structure. Lezo ncucu ezaqhuma zehlela la esesikhona, yabona. But ngiyongena ngijuleke next week sengichazela kabanzi ke about the mechanics. Okwamanje ngisayikhela phezulu ngoba inhloso yami bekuwukuthi ngikwazise nje ngoTara, nanokuthi bengeke ngiqhamuke sengithi ke khona indawo ekuthiwa uTara yaqhuma yeza la kwa-earth iy'ncucu zakhona, wawungeke u-understand ukuthi iqhuma nje yini, kwakwenze njani. So bengimele ngichazele ngazo zonke lezi zimpi zama-fallen angels. Onke ama-misfortunes wethu bafethu, we link it back to ama-fallen angels. Yiwo ayi-cause yazo zonke izinto ezenzeka kithi, uyabona. Especially izimpi nama-conflicts, no-colonizations, nama-agenda. Zonke lezo zinto siyiblemela onto the fallen angels, ngoba yiwo vele responsible for zonke lezi ezinye izinto, uyabona. So ngiyacela ukuthi ingane kwethu siphinde sihlangane futhi next week la khona ke esesizokwazi khona ke manje ukudiscussa about the fall. Okay, siqhumile ke planet sekwenzakele baba digressed abanye, kwazalwa abanye in the process, kwaklinwana ulibofuzo kwanezimpi, isiqhumile ke planet. Now what? Uyabona? So join me next week la sobe sengihlaziyela khona ke sisuka from khona le kwaTara, usubona ukuthi le ndawo esesiphila kuyo ize kanjani tibe khona. Ayikhandwanga uJehova nje obutshelwa nje wena, uyabona. Nabantu futhi ngokunjalo abavelanga kuJehova nje obutshela. Lento kaJehova kusaseyisi isiqhubhekezelo sama-fallen angels ukudukisa abantu. Lento kaNkulunkulu ayihlangene nokuthi kudunyiswe. uNkulunkulu buyaphilwa, ngokuphila nje kwakho uphila uNkulunkulu. Lesi sihlahla lesi sisemva kwami uNkulunkulu lo. Leli yakhasa olibona lapha uNkulunkulu wonke, nami uNkulunkulu. Ilo mhlabathi lo konke kuNkulunkulu, uyabona. Cabanga ke lo mhlabathi lo usufuna ukudumisa mina, ube nawo lo mhlabathi uyilento nami engiyiyona. Cabanga lesi sihlahla esemva kwami sesifuna ukungidumisa kodwa sibe siyilento nami engiyiyona. Yileyo nto kama-fallen angels afuna siyenze. Into yokudumisa into engekho nje, into efuze ngaba yi-exist, uyabona. But ke siyakwenza ngoba phela ama-fallen angelics as-introduce kukho. But it's not organic to us. It's not the stuff that we're supposed to be doing. Yabona. So bafowethu ngithokozile kakhulu. My outdoor experience was amazing. Even though bengibuye ngiphazamiseke kuno mosquito lana ngiyayinwaya, kuyaluma. Yeah, because bengiqala ukwenzela la, you know. But after all imvelo, you know, after all imvelo. So siphinde futhi sihlangane next week sizokwazi ke manje ukuhlabela phambili, sijule, yabona. Futhi nje manje I'm proud of you for ukuhamba nami lolu hambo for this very long time, because which means usufunda okuningi wena nje ngeke usabhayiziseka kalula, ngeke kufike noma ubani akutshele noma ngabe imuphi umathanda, because usuyalazi iqiniso lokuthi ubani ukuphi uvelaphi, kungani futhula usuya understand ukuthi usempini ye-matrix ekhandwa ama-fallen angels ngokusebenzisana nohulumeni. Therefore you always make decisions, smart decisions, in order to protect yourself, uyabona. So yeah, njengowenjwayelo bafethu, niwashare ama-video wami, ulike, ucommente, njalo njalo, uyabona, ukuze i-algorithm izobona ukuthi hayi no siyasebenza. Ushare ngimrecommende kakhulu bafethu, ngoba mawuthi wena uhlula umthakathi inkulumo zakhe ziyakha futhi ziyavusana, ngingathanda abanye abantu abaningi ukuthi bazizwe. Ingenelela lapho ke indaba yokuthi you start sharing my content, you know. So ngokunjalo bafowethu, cha ngibongile kakhulu ngokungipha isikhathi senu. Asiphinde sihlangane futhi next week ngokulandelayo. Siyabonga.